How to lose 33 pounds in 4 days. Wow, that's gonna be really good. Oh. Hello, America. I'm here to show you a grand tale about the power of voting. It involves a silly little Republican chicken and a Democratic pirate. I hope you learn that it doesn't matter who you vote for, as long as you vote. Let's watch.
Vote for Obama! Universal health care!
Whoa, yeah, whoa, no! It doesn't have to be so. It is possible anytime, anywhere, even without any dough. Whoa, yeah, whoa, no! It doesn't have to be so. The forces of creative mind. And you think, alright now, people, they have finally woke up. But as soon as trouble over, watch them take another nap. Now nobody's making merry, only trotting scared of boss. Everybody's making hurry for some all-forgotten cost.
Hey guys! Don't fight. Unite. Okay. Why don't we stop fighting and all just agree on voting?
She'd be right. We're gonna see if baby voted for 2008. Hey there, fellers. You be voting in 2008? No? Oh.
Did you know that voting is a civic duty as being a citizen of the United States? I sure didn't, and I realized it, and it blew my mind. So, we discovered that, all in all, it doesn't matter whether you be a chicken or a pirate, whether you speak in clucks or in drunken sailor. So this is Mr. Delyagan saying, go out and vote, y'all. Peace! Now where did I put my magazine? Jeez, 33 pounds. I'm so gonna fit in that bikini.